Welcome back to the chaos. So ever since I got my car back from the body shop, I've been kind of toying around with the idea of wrapping the front end. Before I actually spend the money and drop on wrap, I picked up some black painter's tape from Amazon, and that's the cheapest alternative I can think of, just that way I can see each of the different layouts, kind of get some pictures, see it on the car itself. And because it's so hard to tell, because I've tried to Photoshop it, I'm horrible at Photoshopping. So that way I'm gonna go ahead and do the closest thing to a real life example I can think of is tape it up, see what it looks like, and just see exactly what the best fit for the car is. So I'm trying to give it a few subtle black accents, so I feel like the wrap in the front might help. Now that we've actually finished up putting the tape on the car, I'm gonna go through and break down each of the options that we have and just kind of give you my opinion and then see what you think. Alright, so the first up, I'm gonna call it like the beard version. It's got like that, it's just the one little lip. And that's actually what I've seen in pictures like before that got me like thinking about doing the vinyl in the first place. So I'd seen that to begin with, but then when I've actually seen it on the car and like looking back in pictures, I want to say that's honestly probably my least favorite option out of the different variations that we did. So it adds a little something, but it still feels like it's missing something. So what I'll end up doing, I'm just gonna throw some of the pictures up on the screen, and then hopefully at the end, like, you all can chime in below and let me know what you like. So version number 2 added on to the beard portion. So we got the full lip in black, and now we're kind of doing the grill portion, or the grill surround, I guess, in black. Didn't hate it. Again, like, none of them, I don't really know what's speaking to me, but this version is different. I don't know that I haven't even seen pictures like that, I don't believe. So it was kind of neat just to see that one in person. Version number 3 is the all blacked out look. So we got the grill surround black, the lip beard portion black, and then we added in the tips that are black. And it actually, looking at it in real life, in person, I loved it. Like, that was instantly my absolute favorite. But then now that I'm like going back and studying the pictures, I'm really not, I feel like it's almost too much black. So I think I'm gonna eliminate that altogether, just because it makes the front end look a little heavy. So I want black accents, but that might be too much. So next up, we've actually started removing some tape at this point, and so we're left with the black tips and then the black grill surround. And actually, I think this one actually might be my favorite, but my biggest hang up is it reminds me so much of a FRS, and specifically I have the Release Series 1, the yellow FRS, and every time I see the front end of the Z now with that particular setup, the tips and the grill surround, that's all I see, which isn't a bad thing, because I mean, I like the FRS, I own one, but I want the Z to stand out a little different. So I don't know, but I do like that version. The next version we have is just the black grill. That might be the one I go with. It does make the mouth portion look like gaping. So it's just like and I wish I had, of course right now there's nothing there, so if I had an intercooler or something, if I had my car turboed, then I don't think I would mind it as much. But with it being black, I feel like it actually detracts from it. So with it being white right now, I feel like something's missing. So with it blacked out, it doesn't catch your eye as much, so you don't realize, oh, there's no intercooler sitting back there. So that might be the way I lean. And the very last variation is just the tips. So I could have probably done this in a different order to where I didn't have to redo that section, but it is what it is. So with just the tips, I kind of like that as well. So I don't know if it's just, I mean, it's very, very subtle, and I feel like it'd be very easy to replicate with vinyl. It's just, I don't know if it's just too little black on the front. Like, I don't know if it would still be missing something. I don't know. So after seeing all the different versions, please let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Because like I said, I'm kind of on the fence between a few, so I'd like to hear some different opinions, what you all think. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for taking the time out. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Catch you in the next one.